Today's event is an important event to talk about the economic development opportunities that exist in Imperial County, but also to highlight some of the successes that have taken place here in the last year.
It is a very good event in that it brings together a lot of different people from the local area as well as throughout California to discuss very important issues that impact this region on a daily basis, transportation and trade.
Great event. It's a neat way of pulling together all the stakeholders of the region, both from the Imperial Valley as well as Southern California, to talk about trade and transportation issues.
Today our focus has been on economic development and exports and trade and how infrastructure is important for that. And so I think it's great to bring people together and to hear from the experts about what's going on.
It's a great event. It's pretty much about time to highlight the great thing that's happening in Imperial Valley and to look at the challenges and look forward and what kind of things the leadership here needs to do.
Where do we move from here? What are the opportunities that we can move forward about marketing our region, about pursuing industries into our region and creating jobs?
Without roads, you have no vehicles. Without no vehicles driving by, you don't have any support of business. So it's critical that both agencies work together in order to plan the future economic development opportunities for this region.
Well, it's important to hear from everybody in the community, all the different stakeholders, to see who's impacted and work together for a solution. One of the common threads throughout all the presentations that we've heard today is that the unique nature of the Imperial Valley requires an Imperial Valley style solution to address all of these different issues.
We need to bring the spotlight to the Imperial Valley. The Imperial Valley has a lot of resources and a lot of things to offer the region in general in Southern California, and a lot of people don't know about us down here.
So it's important to be able to show the activity that's occurring in the Imperial County. This morning our economist Michael Bracken was able to talk about how we've been creating jobs every year throughout the recession, and that's very unique.
Infrastructure and economic development are very tied, and so ICTC and YTC need to work together to make sure that one, they provide the transportation infrastructure, which is ICTC does, and two, that it all leads to economic development and creating jobs in the valley.
And we have a great partnership to work together and pursue these efforts together.
We're able to promote some of the opportunities that exist here for business to come here, but also we need to be mindful in what can we do to support the existing businesses as a state, as a local government, to make sure that we grow them, we create more employment, and ultimately generate the revenues necessary to deliver good services to the people who live here.
My takeaway from today is that the out-of-area stakeholders have a better feeling as to what we can offer as a region from the Imperial Valley. And that's very important because we have to work with them going forward for decades to come.
One of the pillars of economic development is infrastructure. A big part of infrastructure is transportation.
I walk away having a great deal of hope that the future of Imperial Valley is on the right track.
We're going to go into breakout groups, and we hope to get at least one key idea from each of the three groups. One from workforce development, one from industry clusters pursuing industries into our region, and the other being create greater opportunities for our region.
What I walk away from this event, and from what I walk away every time I come here, is what an incredibly unique environment the Imperial Valley is and how much potential it has. And by working together, all the different agencies at the state and local level, the tremendous opportunities that can be harnessed for economic growth in this region. So I come away with a feeling of tremendous optimism that the resources are here to turn this region into a very dynamic economic entity.